DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Smoothing Foam Cleanser. Today we will be using the DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Smoothing Foam Cleanser. Squeeze out this amount of cleanser, lather until foam. You will get this much of foam. Apply them all over your face. Here's a tip on cleansing. Massage the foam for 60 seconds. Wipe off the foam with a sponge. This helps us to wash off the foam more easily. Then rinse off the remaining with water. Please follow what I have shared and wash your face twice. DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Calming Toner. Today I will be showing you how to use the DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Calming Toner. Pour the toner over the cotton pad around this amount. Wipe it off your face from the inner to the outer part of your face gently. Do the same for your forehead. Start from the middle and swipe outward. Finally, for your chin, wipe it in circle. Wipe the rest of the toner on your neck area. By repeating this step for 3 times, you will feel your skin is more moisturized and you will see the improvement in your skin texture. This is also act as an additional cleansing step for your skin. DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Ultimate Eye Cream. This is the DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Ultimate Eye Cream. This eye cream can help prevent formation of fine wrinkles around your eye. Use your ring finger, the weakness finger, to spread and apply the product. Here is a tip for you. If you apply some of the eye cream of your eyelid, it will look firmer and more beautiful when you apply eyeshadow. Can you see this? It is moisturized eye cream that helps prevent formation of fine wrinkles around your eyes. DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Hydrating Algae Essence. I will be showing you how to use the DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Hydrating Algae Essence. If you look at this essence, you will be able to see green capsule in them. These are capsules of hyaluronic acid. We will be applying them over your face. Squeeze out the essence over your forehead, cheeks and chin area. Spread them out evenly. The first step is to spread the product all over your face. Next step is to pat gently on your face to help the product absorb. Make sure the product are well absorbed around your eyes, cheeks and chin area. Apply the remaining product on your neck. Make sure it is well absorbed. DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Vital Extra Emulsion. This is the DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Vital Extra Emulsion. Tap the bottle on the back of your hand for 2 to 3 times to get the product out from the bottle. You can apply the emulsion on your neck and collarbone area. I recommend doing self-MRT on this area using the emulsion. Then apply the remaining product all over your face. For this step, you will be applying the product in reverse direction, starting from your neck and collarbone, then your face. DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Moisturizing Cream. I'm using the DXN and Miracle Marine Liposome Moisturizing Cream. Tap the product on your cheeks, forehead and chin. This step is very important as it is the final step of the skincare routine for DXN and Miracle series. It will form a protection barrier on our skin to prevent the loss of moisture. Apply the product all over your face in circle motion. Make sure the products are broadly absorbed by your skin. Moisturizing cream plays an important role for the final step skincare routine. DXN Watery Sun Essence. Now let's talk about the DXN Watery Sun Essence. Exposure to UV rays is harmful for our skin. Therefore, I recommend using our sunscreen, the DXN Watery Sun Essence. Spread and apply the product all over your face in circle motion. The consistency and texture of the sun essence makes it look natural on our skin and it can be easily absorbed by our skin. Even without makeup on, your skin will look beautiful, smooth and glowing. Be sure to spread and apply the product gently all over your face. Then you will be able to see the beautiful effect on your skin. DXN Watery Correction Cream. This is the DXN Water Correction Cream. Squeeze out about this much of product. 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be 2 steps to apply this product. The first step is color correcting. Gently spread the product all over your face. For the next step, we will do the makeup with the remaining products. Spread the products all over your face. Make sure not to leave out any spot. Then tap gently on your face. Now you will have a beautiful, glowing skin.